name is Carmen Echavez and welcome to my blog.
Dito tayo sa airport. So, meron na siyang tag. Nag-self-check-in lang kami para meron ng tag yung aking bag. Tapos, ida-drop na lang sa my counter. Guys, nagmamadali ako kanina, guys. Ayan, diretso na tayo sa... Ba't ako lang mag-isa, kuya? Wala akong kasabay. Talaga? Na-late na pala ako.
Boarding pass ka naman.
Iya, meron. Okay lang.
DG6041, call for Busuanga, and DG6111,
So, itatabi ko lang to.
call for Naga. If you're around,
So, saan ako
counter
didiretso?
1, 2, 3, and 4 for your immediate
Dito ako lalabas.
Respect rin pa.
This is your last and final
Diretso
call.
doon. Thank you. Thank you po. Guys, ang hirap mag-travel mag-isa. Wala man lang naghahawak ng camera. So, kailangan kong mag-shoot ng ganito. Ito ba? Pre-departure area. Thank you. Ayan. Hi guys! Dito tayo sa airport. Ayan. Domestic flight going to Siargao. Guys, nagutom na ako. Ayan. Kain muna tayo. Nagmamadali ako kanina. So, wala man lang tayong kilay today. Let's eat!
The food in the airport is quite expensive, so you better eat first before you head on to the airport.
Gutom na ako. So, magbubukas na yung gate, guys. Mamadali na ako. See you later.
I thought I was too late, but then my flight got delayed for 45 minutes. So from the airport, we ride a bus going to the plane. Okay guys, bon voyage! At this point, we have already take off. The weather is perfect. At this point, we're about to take off. Siyempre, bago mag-landing, kailangan may selfie. Selfie muna tayo.
Sorry ah.
Finally, we've reached our destination. Andito na tayo sa Siargao. I'm so excited, guys.
Thank you po. Salamat. Ingat po kayo. Paano ka? Ako walang payong-payong, bahala na. Ay, diretso. Ayan, welcome to Siargao.
Actually, as you can see, I just went straight ahead. I didn't wait for my luggage. The truth is, I really forgot my check-in luggage, so I went straight back. Fortunately, I realized it earlier, so I took my luggage without any hassle.
May sundo na, ma'am? Meron na. Ilagay niyo po mga pangalan.
Ay, iba pa naman pangalan.
Green Robelia. Ay, sir, pan po dito.
Pag-sir din lang.
Ayan, ayan na yung pangalan. Ayan, sama daw siya sa vlog.
Shout out.
Hi, shout out. Anong pangalan mo, kuya?
Kuya Junjun po.
O, Kuya Junjun. Hello. Saan ako sasabay?
Hoy, kita mo ni. Oh, dito pa. Isa pa, ma'am. Di ba ni? Ako. Uy, di ma'am. Dito. Tuloy mo pala, tuloy mo.
Ah, baliktad.
Oh, baliktad
Baliktad.
pala.
Ikaw pa.
Ako pa.
Ayan.
Ayan na.
Anong
Welcome
pangalan
to
mo?
Siargao Villa Expogi Online.
Pogi.
Sa line, no? Januel. Marco, Manila.
Ayan na. Ang init, kuya. Tara na.
37, ma'am. 37.
37. Thank you so much.
Si John Will na nakuha.
Sa totoo lang, the people are very nice, very kind, and very helpful. So I never felt uneasy or uncomfortable or scared. So I'm so happy with my trip. So I seated in front of the van intentionally so I can have a perfect view of the surroundings and so I can vlog properly and take a great shots. I'm enjoying this every bit of scenery and I'm loving the view. There are other people actually at the back, but I prefer to sit in front. So this is my first time here in Siargao, but my first impression is that this is really a perfect place. I love this place, and even though we are running so fast, I'm really enjoying this ride. This is really a great adventure. I'm so happy that I came here to Siargao. So, Apaw, here I come. Malapit na tayo, guys. It was long but fun and adventurous ride. As soon as I arrive, of course, picture muna.
Hello po. Dito ba mag-check-in?
Yes, may I know your name?
Carmen. Ito na ang aking room. Sige, pasok kayo. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng view. Yan ang ating pool. Ayan. So, andun daw yung restaurant. Doon kami magbe-breakfast tomorrow morning. So, ito yung reception. Diyan ako galing kanina. Ayan. So, nasa second floor tayo. This is my room, guys. Pasok tayo. Room tour. Ayan. May tables and chair. Ayan. Pwede kang kumain dito. Meron tayong ayan, small kitchen with a faucet. Tapos, maliit na fridge. Complimentary daw yung water. So, water lang yung laman niya. So, tomorrow morning, meron kaming free breakfast. Kasama na yung breakfast sa binayad ko. So, meron coffee and tea, complimentary.
Oops, it's not complimentary.
Of course, yung gamit ko. Yan yung gamit ko. So, ito yung gamit ko. Dinala ko yung tissue. Merong tissue sa toilet. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. So, ito. Ang ganda ng mirror. Yan, pa-effect. Ayan, makikita mo yung background. And this is my bed. Ayan. Ganda ng chandelier.
Well, some they call it chandelier pendant light or simply pendant light bowl.
Siyempre, this is my coat kasi malamig sa airport so kailangan ko mag-coat. But I'm wearing sleeveless as you can see.
Well, based on my experience during domestic flight, hindi po malamig.
So, meron tayong terrace. Ayan. Maganda yung upuan dito. Ayan. So nice. So comfy. Ito yung likod niya. Hindi maganda. So, wag na nating anuhin yung likod. Oh, yung mga may yero dyan. So, dito na lang tayo sa loob. Yung harap, syempre maganda. So, kung gusto mo magmuni-muni dyan sa likod, ayan, maganda. Umupo ka dyan. Parang ang cozy-cozy ng loob, no? Diba? Yan mo naman, with matching artwork pa. Maganda siya. Maganda sa mata. And this is our bathroom. course, ito mga kasama na to sa complimentary. Yung mga soap. Itong tissue sa kanila to. So, nagamit ko na yung isang soap. Tapos may kasamang towel. Ayan, may tissue pa doon. Ayan, may kasamang blower. Tour ko ng toilet. Meron pa ng shower dito sa side. Yan, may hot and cold shower. Ayan, ano to? Oh, they have shampoo and conditioner. Alright. Ayan, meron sila ready body wash. Ayan, shower. Ang taas ng shower head. Ayan, para kompleto. Close natin yung CR. Ayan. Parang ano siya, studio type. Studio type yung dating niya. Yeah. Ganda siya. May AC, of course. Very important. Kundi pawis-pawis tayo. Papahinga muna ako, guys. Masakit na ulo ko.
Subscribe muna.
So, galing ako sa biyahe. Papahinga muna ako, guys. I'll see you later. Ayan pala, hindi ko na ipakita. Ayan yung TV. Ayan, may safe box doon. Ayan. Alright.
Dumating na si Apaw, si Susil, my friend. She came while I was sleeping. For those who are interested regarding my room, I booked mine in Agoda app. So, kindly check the prices there because prices vary from time to time. So, that's it.
Dito kami sa Cloud9. Ayan.
Sige, ako na lang videographer. Hey guys!